Hey, it's Yesenia with Birth Center Stone Oak. Today I want to talk a little bit about sore muscles in pregnancy. As your center of gravity shifts and belly grows, you'll start to notice a lot of tension in your lower back, or maybe it's your upper or middle back. Stretching is super important, y'all. But you want to go slowly, right? So there is a hormone called relaxin that moves through your body in pregnancy. It does exactly what its name suggests it's going to do. It helps relax your joints and muscles, but it affects everything, right? So when you are getting into or out of a stretching pose, make sure that you go slow enough that you can feel that edge without going past it. It should be kind of uncomfortable, but not painful. And then same thing kind of getting back out. But stretching will help alleviate a lot of those sore muscles. It will keep you nice and active for labor and hopefully make your pregnancy way more comfortable. Hope that tip was helpful. If you need more information, visit our website. Give us a phone call.